Do you remember this engine that I built earlier? I shall put the link below. Well, basically, I didn't like the way this part of the engine was working, you know, trying to put it that way, because it wasn't very stable with this thing here. It was very flimsy like this, up and down like that. So I thought I'll try and use this bearing. This is just an idea. I'm going to experiment with it. And so if I put this on there like that and twist, it's a lot easier. It's more firm as well, so it doesn't flip everywhere like this. So that's the idea. Now what I'm going to do, I stripped it all apart, as you can see. So I marked it there, hopefully that this will go there. I'm going to drill a hole, maybe just to get this part of the inside there, and hold it down with a screw in there. There's a hole in there, it's a screw in there. Hold this down. So I'm going to make it adjustable a little bit, and so this can be adjusted like this, and maybe even this can be adjusted. We'll see how it works. If it doesn't work, well, you will never see this on YouTube, will you? Okay then, so we'll see how it works, and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I've changed my mind already. Plan number 2, instead of drilling a hole in this piece here and making this fit down there, I drilled a hole in this piece here, just there. So we've got 2 holes now, so I'm just going to put 2 screws in like that. It should hold it right, in theory, and hopefully that'll stay there like that. And adjustments, we can always adjust it by moving this piece and just holding it down like that. So that's my plan right now at the moment, guys. I'm hoping that works, but I'm making this up as I go along. And secondly, I'm thinking I might still drill a hole to fit this piece at least through there. So yeah, I might still do that. So this fits nicely flattish. The hole underneath is not the best, I told you, but it's adjustable a little bit this way, that way, so that's really good. But 2 screws down there, hold it firm. Then this is going to go on top, but I had to fit this somehow there. So I found 2 holes here, 2 holes there, so I've drilled 2 holes in there, and I'm going to screw this down so it holds it nicely, neatly there, and that'll just adjust it like that. Okay guys, this project is turning out to be completely a new one, as it were, because I put this here, right? Okay, it was a bit further there, but I put it further out. The problem here is that this is so close to here, so that means I need a bit more space there. So what I decided to do is take that bar, which is quite long, longer than this one anyway, to give me a bit more space. So split this down, put that in there. Adjust this, just that. Take this, take half a block because it's too thick. Put it there, and hopefully it'll work. So this is it now, completed. I had to, like I said before, do everything again. So this is a longer bar that I've had one, so I've fitted that in. I like this because it's more sturdy now. Instead of the other one was flimsy, it's more sturdy, and you know, it performs very well with the bearing there. I had to adjust this one, put a bit lower than the other one. What I'm gonna say is that there's adjustments here and here, and I had to mess about a lot in order to get it just right, to do the right thing. So if I blow on it, hopefully it'll go. But if I keep it upright, here I am, guys. So if I blow on it, because it's more like flat, it should work nicely. Now my whole idea of doing it this way and all these adjustments is because I want to run it on steam, because when I made this previously, it didn't run on steam. I did try, by the way, but it wouldn't run on steam. I was losing a lot of steam through there, etc., etc. I do not know if this will work, but let's have a go. Here we are again, guys. I've got this connected to my kettle boiler. Now the reason I made the kettle boiler, I'm hoping that will give more pressure than the other one so that this engine can work. And I know that there's a lot of play in the pistons there, so I'm going to lose a lot of heat. But I'm hoping that that boiler will give me a lot more pressure, so this will work. It is running, it is moving quite smoothly when I blow through the pipe there. So we'll see in a minute when this kettle is boiled. We'll get back to you in a minute. Trying to go. There's not enough steam going through there. I'm losing a lot of steam, you see. There you go. There you go, guys. Safety worked. It blew the gasket there because there's not enough steam going through there. I think it needs a bigger pipe to get through that one, to make that one. But at least I know that safety worked there. Fantastic. There you go, guys, running on steam. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I finally got it going. Lots of adjustment had to be done to it, but there you go, finally going. What can I say? I'm very pleased with this project. I'm very proud of it. Took days, hours, loads of time. You know, just turn the gas down a little bit. There. Lots of adjustment, but it can and is possible to do it. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of it. I nearly gave up on it. And last time I just saw the kettle safety valve went, but I had the gas on full. So I've turned it down a bit and put it down a little bit more, just in case. But it is working. Fine, there's the kettle, and there it is. I can finally put this project to bed. I'm so glad, so proud as well. Stay with it. I'm going to turn the kettle up a little bit. See if it'll go a bit faster. So the steam is coming out. There she blows. Wow. As you can see, it's not 100% right, but it is working.